Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Brenda's Kitchen. For those that don't know me, my name is Brenda, known as Maniac Grammy. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's cloudy and drizzly here in Maine, and it's 39 degrees. This is going to be the first thing I've baked since I broke my ribs, and I'm 3 weeks now, so hopefully I'm on the good mend. And still in quite a bit of discomfort on certain things I do. But I'm going to ask for prayers for my oldest son, OJ, as he was in some sort of an accident yesterday way up north, moose scouting. He is a Maine guide, and there was an accident. I don't know the full details. All I know is he was up there and apparently fell or did something in the woods. He did something to his knee, and he had to call his wife and my grandson to drive up there, which is about a 5-hour drive. Well, maybe 4 for them because I'm farther away. And then he ended up in the hospital, and they thought maybe he's got a torn meniscus. And then they discharged him with a leg brace and some crutches, and he has an appointment with the orthopedic surgeon down at the big city in Portland today. So I'm on pins and needles. So I said, well, instead of sitting around, I need to try to do something. This has been on my list to bake, so please keep him in prayer, please. This is a 2-ingredient recipe. My girlfriend sent it to me. All you need, excuse me, is cinnamon rolls. And she had it where you use blueberry. Excuse me, this is from my ribs. I get all congested. This is strawberry pie filling. We're gonna pour this over the top, excuse me, of the dough. We're also gonna cut this dough. Now let me open it and we'll start. I'm gonna stop this and do a breathing treatment and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I have to take treatments every now and then to keep my lungs clear. So I've got this 8x8 pan. I sprayed it. I opened these, and we are going to cut these up as well. Let me get them out here. Whoops. We're just gonna take these. These are my bacon scissors, and we're gonna just cut this, put it in the pan. Excuse me, terribly sorry. Just gonna cut it like this. These want to unfold on me for some reason. That's all right. It's all good. It's like this. Like that. Looks like it's going to be so yummy, doesn't it? Smells good. This is a Walmart brand. You know, you got to do everything you can to save money today, as you well know with the prices out there. Just cutting them with my working scissors. Some more. Whoa! Wow. There's also some glaze in here, which is right here, and we'll put that on after it's done. I was trying to figure out how the glaze was going to work into this. Now I know. No, don't wonder anymore, Miss Brenda. And this is an 8x8 bacon dish. Looks like it's going to work just fine. There we go. Perfect. Get them around here. There we go. There. Perfect. Ta-da! I didn't know it was going to come out this well, to be honest with you. Now we've done that, we are going to take the strawberry filling, and her directions said blueberry, but I'm using what I have on hand. And this happens to be strawberry. I will probably be taking this to my son's because the sugar content is 15 and includes 13 more, so it's 26% in sugar. That is a lot. The cholesterol is 0, sodium is 10, and it says 7 servings per 1/3 of this container. Was good. I like to keep some sort of filling on hand in case I have company and I need a quick dessert. Now, I have never made this before. My friend thought it would be good for me to make it. And her name is Charlene, and she is the one that sent this to me. We have been friends for many years. There. And this can is 21 ounces. Now, I'm not going to guarantee it's 21 ounces now because you know how things are. One week you go and they're a certain amount, and the next week you go, you find out the price is up and the quantity is less. This looks like it's good. If I'm going to try to do a small taste test, very small, because I don't want my sugar sky high. And looks really, really yummy. Get the rest of this out here. For what we pay nowadays, we got to get every little bit. Now I'm putting this in the oven at 400, and on the back of the package it says 13 to 17 minutes. But look at that. Doesn't that look yummy already? And I'll bring you back when it's all ready to put the glaze, and we'll give it a try. Okay, it's out of the oven. It's still warm. I let it set for a few minutes. Look at that. If you can only smell, and you can see, let's see if I can do this. The bottom is cooked really well. Can you see that? Okay, now, going to try to get this out for a taste. What do I want? I think I'll take a small spoon, just like this. Get a little plate here. Don't need a big one. I use this little plate here. Get some of this gooey yumness right there. Oh yeah. Get a strawberry on it. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put, well, it's okay. I can do it right now. I forgot to put a little glaze on it. Just cut it with the scissors. It's nice they got a little hole there. And we're just going to glaze it. Oh, yum. Look at that. My son and family is going to love this. I hope they're gonna love it. Now I gotta hide it. Us diabetics can't eat it, so what do you think? I'm gonna put just a little dab of Dooya, if there's any left here. just can say I had a taste of it. Oh yeah. Well, we'll call that good. I'm not supposed to have it anyways. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you up. Hopefully, I don't drop you. There. I don't know with this. There. This doesn't work as well. My tripod. My phone's ringing. There. Bring you down just a little bit. Okay. Here it is right here. Yummy, yummy. A little frosting right there. You can see the cinnamon right there. See how well it cooked, nice and brown? Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Oh, oh, oh. It is so darn good. I just want to eat the whole thing. Oh, well, I'm going to. Why not? Look at the cinnamon. Oh, yeah. Okay, folks, I hope you like being in Brenda's kitchen, Maniac Grammy. If you're not subscribed, hit that button because you never know what's going to be on my videos, and neither do I. I had no clue until about 9 o'clock this morning what I was going to do. Have a great day. God bless. And we will see you on the next one. Bye now.